Well, good morning, History 2115. I wanted to go ahead and share a video for you all with regards to the discussions in this course and really highlighting not just the how to do a discussion for those of you who may be, unfamiliar with how Desire to Learn works, or this is your first online class or things like that, but also to kind of discuss like what a substantive post is in this course and in most online courses, okay? So to begin with, let us kind of focus on how you answer a discussion post. So if you go to the discussion section of the course, which you can access in the red nav bar or within a content module, you click on the topic for the week. Each discussion will have guidelines and expectations. And I need you to hit the big blue button that says Start a New Thread. Follow the guidelines about what your title should be. Go ahead and fill in the body of the text. You scroll down and hit Post. Once you have posted your initial discussion, which again is due on a certain day, which is outlined in the instructions for each of the discussion posts, you then would click on whatever discussion you choose to reply to and hit Reply to Thread, and that is how you reply to your peers. I hope that kind of helps clarify some things for you. Some of the other things that I want to address is discussions in this course are so essential to helping you and your fellow peers understand the course material, to have a discussion about it, to think critically, but also to have, in essence, this place for you to share your experience, your knowledge, to kind of investigate and critique these complex topics that we have, especially in this class with regards to American Indian history. And so when I say that, I need at least 250 words Wednesday night, it is so important that you get that posted by Wednesday night, so that way the next 2 days your peers have the opportunity to reply to your initial response by Friday. And what I'm asking for is these follow-up responses need to be more than I agree with you. They need to be substantive, where you can take the opportunity, much like you would in a normal face-to-face classroom, to say, yes, I agree with your point. However, if you remember in the textbook blank, or did you look at the additional resources, say in Module 1, so if you were in content and you scroll down, you will see some additional resources that will be posted for you to review. Or in Module 2, you can see additional resources. So each week, there will be additional resources. They could be websites, they could be primary sources, they could even be videos. And that's your opportunity to use these as additional tools to help you understand the topic, whether it's in a very macro level or a very micro level. And so you could bring those into your initial post, but more importantly, bring those into your replies to your peers. And I want to see that your replies to your peers by Friday night are helping the discussion move forward. I would like to see you ask your peer a question, some type of a follow-up question, because by Sunday night, you have replied to the students that have replied to you, right? So you are actively participating in these discussions 3 days a week, addressing the questions brought up by your peers, addressing the questions and making sure that you're responding to those questions. Anything else with regards to discussions, please just make sure you're rereading the expectations on each discussion, making sure that you're, reviewing the discussion rubric, and I'll also post below this video some kind of additional things of what I consider to be a substantive post. As always, if you have questions, feel free to send me an email or click on the link to schedule a time with me and we can hop on a Zoom or a phone call. Keep up the good work.